Pagtakulin nga kita. Ay, okay na.
Hi!
Oh. Yo, YouTube YouTube, YouPorn. YouPorn ako palagi guys.
He's rich.
You're sexy
Oh my god.
Durog tayo dyan.
Wala, I don't work out anymore.
Archie, your turn. Archie. Wala kasi music daw eh. Oh, wala kasi music.
Sa loob.
Wala pa yan eh. You should have seen him dancing. If there was music. Yes. I want to see him talk to the face of the
I don't care. Do I care?
I only have that.
You know how much I got, dude?
40. That's because that's size 4, man.
Half price.
No, they're lunch products. Lunch products.
No, those are the sample products.
Yeah, lunch.
You sure those are size 8s, man?
Those are like 6.5.
This is size 8, man. Those are.
I'm rich. Welcome to my house. Not a hard one. It was already there. It was an orgasm. Cheers. Fucking game.
We went to the wash machine.
I take a shit. Shut up.
Check my car out. What are we with us? Beside her. I'm like, what the fuck? Get out of my bed. Nakayakap pa siya, ganun siya. I was like, oh my god, Nak, what are you doing? You fucking
I just don't want to see the lowest, you know? I didn't want to see the I was missing Archie. He didn't sleeping with next to me. No, I slept with you guys. Yeah, afterwards.
I slept with you.
That's why my ass hurt the next day.
Unta na
Yeah. The Garage Boys right here. Renee's birthday. Happy birthday, my homeboy. Yeah. Much love, much respect. One love to all you Garage people, you know? I miss you guys, but I've been working hard. I'm trying to get my money right, you know? So I can roll with you guys, you know? One love, man. Peace. One love.
Dry your eye.
Oh yeah.
Say hi.
Hey,
you have a light there?
Do you see that? Do you feel it? This is what we talking about. Remember the old days? Now we rolling in shit you can't even see anymore.
That's Brazilian. It's see-through.
It's Brazilian wax. Sound familiar?
It's only a little bit.
That's Karopi right there. You met him? Itoy. Itoy Jr. In the house. Easy.
Hi po. Hi po.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Pangipera.
Sali ka. Yo.
Oh yeah, guys. That's where he's fucking.
Go. Ah, one more?
double shot.
Oh my god!
Ayan na.
Oh, yeah.